So you've decided to graduate from microwaved meals to something a tad more impressive? Let's start with a Dutch oven beef stew that'll make your taste buds dance and your friends and family question if you've actually hired a personal chef. If you like the idea of delicious dinners, make sure to subscribe and like and show me some love. Pat beef stew meat dry with a paper towel. This is super important to sear it. Season beef all over by rubbing it with olive oil, then garlic salt and black pepper. Heat a Dutch oven on a burner set to high. Add butter, and once it melts, add seasoned beef chunks in 2 to 3 batches. You want to lightly sear the beef all over to quickly brown most of the outside, which will only take a couple minutes per batch. If you overcrowd the pan, it will steam instead of sear. You do not want that. Beef does not have to be fully cooked at this point. Rest the seared beef chunks in a single layer on a plate. Leave the beef juices in the Dutch oven and add the onion and carrots. Leave on medium-high for about 5 minutes as you stir regularly. Don't let the veggies burn. Lower the burner heat to medium and stir in the garlic, fresh thyme, Italian seasonings, and tomato paste. Stir for about 2 minutes without letting the mixture burn. The key here is don't let this shit burn. Add in the dry red wine and stir regularly on medium heat for a couple minutes. While stirring, gently deglaze the pan by breaking up any caramelized bits sticking to the bottom of the Dutch oven. Stir in flour until it's completely integrated and cook on low for 2 minutes. Pour in the beef broth, raise the temperature to medium-high, and stir the beef stew broth for a few minutes to allow it to thicken and come to a boil. You can skim off any foam at the top and discard it. Once the mixture is boiling, add in seared beef, baby potatoes, and a bay leaf. Boil for 2 minutes, then reduce the heat to medium or medium-low and simmer for a few minutes. Turn off the burner, add the lid to the Dutch oven, and carefully transfer the beef stew in the Dutch oven to the preheated oven and bake for 90 minutes to 2 hours or until the beef chunks are tender enough to fall apart with a fork. To serve, remove the bay leaves, add some fresh chopped herbs like parsley. Print out all the recipe steps at Sip Bite Go. I hope you make this and love it. Have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!